question number F of exercise 58, the fourth question in this. Okay, we will do this page 177 in your maths book. Rakesh has a lawn in his house whose width is 24 meter. Width means breadth. Okay, width and the breadth means the same thing. If the area of the lawn is 1152 meters square, find its length. Okay, so in the question they have given you the breadth or the width. Both means the same thing. So the breadth or the width of the lawn is 24 meters. Area of the lawn is 1152 meter, and they are telling you to find the length. So therefore length of the lawn will be, we are going to use the formula length is equal to area of the lawn divided by breadth of the lawn. Okay, so what is the area of the lawn? 1152 we will write in the numerator, then 24 we will write in the denominator. You can see on the blackboard. Okay, I have written 1152 in the numerator and 24 in the denominator. So now I have to cancel out these numbers, what you call as reduce the numbers. Okay, we will keep on dividing these two numbers till the time all the numbers get cancelled with each other. So I have taken a little bigger number, 6. So I have taken 6, and if you see in the table of 4, 24 goes 6 times. Okay, 4 6s are 24. So I have written 6 in the bottom, and if you divide 1152 with 4, you will get 288. So 288 and 6 I am getting. Now I am cancelling 6 with the table of 2. So 2 3s are 6, and then on the top I am cancelling 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So I am getting 144 and 3. Now I'll cancel 3 1s are 3 and 144. So in the table of 3 I will cancel 144. So 3, how many times? 3 4s are 12. Okay, and 2 will be remaining and 24. So 3 8s are 24. So I will get 48, and at the bottom I will get 1. So 1 does not have any value at all. So it will be 48 meters. So length of the lawn is 48 meter. This is what we will write in the final answer. I know the reducing of the number, I don't know whether you all have done in class 4 or not, but don't worry, you can just do this question right now. I will teach you how to reduce the numbers in the coming videos. Okay, so don't take tension. Just now you just understand this much, that you have to cancel out the numbers in the same table. जैसे हमारे पास 1152 और 24 है, तो हमें ये देखना है कि ये दोनों नंबर सेम टेबल से कटने चाहिए. ठीक है, तो हमने सबसे पहले 4 का टेबल लिया. 4 के टेबल में हमने 24 को काटा, तो 4 6 24 होता है, तो हमने वहाँ नीचे 6 लिख दिया. फिर 4 के ही टेबल से हमें 1152 को कैंसिल करना है. तो अगर हम 1152 को 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास 288 आएगा. ठीक है, तो 288 और 6 बच गया. अब 288 और 6 को एक ही टेबल से काटना है. ओके, एक ही टेबल में जाना चाहिए. तो मैम ने क्या लिया? मैम ने 2 का टेबल ले लिया. तो अगर हम 2 के टेबल में करेंगे तो 2 3s are 6 होता है, और फिर 288 को 2 के टेबल से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारे पास आएगा 144. ठीक है, अब हमारे पास 144 और बच गया था 6. फिर हमने क्या किया? हमने 144 को और 6 को 3 के टेबल से डिवाइड किया, क्योंकि 144 भी 3 के टेबल में चला जाएगा और 6 भी 3 के टेबल में चला जाएगा. ओके, सो वी हैव कैंसल्ड आउट 3 1s are 3, and then we have cancelled out 144 with the table of 3. So if I divide 144 with 3, I will get 48. Okay, so 48 meter will be the length. Don't take tension, children, at all. The moment I will get time, I will teach you how you reduce the numbers when you have the numbers in the form of a numerator and a denominator. Because I know you all have not done the fractions. I don't know whether you've done the reduce the following numbers in class 4 or not, but I will take up this question, not exactly this question, but how to reduce your numbers. I will take up the video and I will teach you all. Okay.